Well, it sounds like the rumor of Austin Forkner going to Triumph is true, which pretty much seemed to be the real thing. He's obviously not on Pro Circuit anymore. They've pretty made sure of announcing their rosters. But as of today, Ryan Hughes or Ryan Global on Rhino Global on Instagram posted this and said, we quote, well, had lunch with this stud Austin Forkner, bummed that this is the last time as of now we will be able to share some time together as he is moving back to Georgia to ride with official Triumph Racing, one of the best riders to work with, blah, 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 blah. And now, obviously, this is not the best kept secret in the world. Uh, but the fact that not Austin Forkner, not, Triumph or anybody else has announced this, but this is just some guy on, not some guy, but this is somebody on their Instagram just saying, hey, nice to see my friend. Too bad he's moving back to go race with Triumph. Ooh, wait, oops. Obviously, I don't think the contract's probably not finalized. But it's kind of funny that this is how I don't want to say officially announced, but this is how it's brought to the world. What's been a rumor for a while, and what has been obviously well known that he's not back with Pro Circuit or he hasn't signed anything with that, and nobody said anything about it. The rumor is, how you can say, probably pretty substantiated. But it's just funny that this is how it's like dropped. And whether Austin Faulkner knew anything about it, whether it's, a mistype or a misstep from Rhino, who knows? It's just funny to me that some things like this are so well known that a lot of people that in in it or around it probably don't even think about it. They're like, oh yeah, everyone knows already, blah 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 blah. But hopefully he does well. Obviously Faulkner is one of the fastest guys, if not, a championship contender every single year. I mean, look how well he was doing this year before he again injured himself. And after the coming out of the brain surgery, see how well his hand does with the nerve damage, and just see how he does in a year, or this year in general. Because obviously, being on Pro Circuit for so long, moving over to Triumph is going to be a big difference. Complete new team, new bike, new environment. It's going to be very different. I'm assuming sponsors are going to have to change. Oh, you probably gets to keep Monster Energy, but gear sponsors or shock, whatever they're running. It's going to be a big change from after so many years of being in one place. It's how well does he adapt? One, how well can he help develop that bike? Because obviously only 1 year with Jalik Swall and Vary for a couple months, and it's gonna be on Savachi too, but he only raced a third of the year, so I think it's good for them. Puts a big name on the team. He's obviously fast. He's going to be competitive. If they can put a bike underneath him, it's going to progress it very fastly. Very fastly. It's going to progress it very fast because somebody of his skill is going to be able to say, "No, I need this. I need this. I need this. You need to change that," and then go from there. So hopefully this works. Who knows? He could move over there and it could be absolutely tragic. He could hate the bike. The bike could just blow up all the time, or he could get injured again because sadly that seems to be his MO. But I don't know. But that's why I want to hear from you guys. Obviously, what do you think of the fact that it was quote unquote announced this way, or that somebody just put it out like this? Two, if he does actually end up going there, how well do you think he does on it? Is it a good move for him? Do you think he's gonna fit the bike well? The bike's gonna fit him, or is he gonna be a good development rider? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.